Network devices. Router. Connects multiple devices to the internet and directs network traffic. Modem. Converts internet signals from your provider so computers can use them. Switch. Connects multiple devices in a network and manages data transfer. Hub. A basic device that connects multiple computers in a network. Repeater. Boosts weak network signals to extend the range. Access point. Provides wireless internet to devices like laptops and phones. Firewall. Protects a network by blocking harmful traffic.